Hello YouTube. In the video today I'm buying Blizzard kits. And I might do a little gameplay. There it is. Blizzard kit. Oh, we almost have enough for Firebird M1. Let's try and get enough crystals to get it. It's okay, so we're going in at Alexander DM, I think, battle. And yeah, I'm gonna try and get enough for.
Oh, don't tax him.
I'm gonna try and get enough for Firebird M1, and I might buy that as well. Oh. I was only watching a video. So let this load. Come on, please load.
I can't believe we got enough for a kit.
Well, Rowan, a brave end. You set off like a rocket, but just had one or two problems along the way. Yeah, that's not fast.
Okay, guys, so here we are with the Blizzard kit. Please load. Okay, guys. Blizzard kits. Look at this Blizzard kit. I so love this kit, guys. Whoa. I am lagging a bit, so. So here is the Blizzard kit. Sorry about the gameplay, and I didn't have enough to buy the Firebird M1.